Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to use the autofill tool. So autofill tool is generally used to optimize the column length and column type. Sometimes what happens is that when you import data from Excel CSV file or from a database to Alteryx, it does not provide the optimal variable length as well as variable type. So in order to do that, to find out the optimal variable length and optimal variable type, you select the or you use the autofill tool. So right now, let me show you the file which I'm using. I'm using a sales file. This consists of 5 columns, right? Date, sales rep, customer, product code, and sales. So this date is a date type. Sales rep, customer, and product are variable string, right? And sales is double. But if you can carefully see that the length of variable string is 255, which is very huge, and this is not required, right? Because name of a sales rep and name of customer or product code won't be such long. So in order to optimize the variable length as well as variable size, what you can do is you can use the autofill tool. Go to the preparation tab, select autofill tool, drag and drop it to your canvas, right? So the first step in this is that I have imported this particular file, right, from my desktop. Then there were some duplicates present in this file. I have removed the duplicates, right? So if you can see that in okay, so it there are two tabs, unique and duplicates. I will show you the output once this is done. So once you select the autofill tool, it will open a pop-up window, and then it will show you the name of the columns which you can optimize. Once you hit run, it will run the workflow, and if you go to the output of this autofill tool, you can see that the variable sales rep has been converted to string instead of v string now, and the size is 7. Customer is v string only, but size has been reduced to 19 instead of 255. Product code is again converted to string instead of v string, and the size is 4, right? So this was the variable present in this particular file. If I go to the data, this file consists of 49 records, out of which 30 were unique and 20 were duplicates. So I have removed the duplicates record from this particular file. So in order to see how the unique tool works, you can watch my video on unique tool, and then using the output of this unique tool, the unique records, I have connected this with the autofill tool in order to understand the or in order to optimize the variable length as well as variable type. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Please do subscribe to our channel.